Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? Have you ever wanted to be a vendor for Best Buy? They are a large, as they used to say, box company, where you used to have like large box companies where they had like Best Buy and quite a few others. Back in the day, had Circuit City, had quite a bit of them. Best Buy is one of my favorite ones. We did a lot of their floors. They referred us to a lot of their other local and national. A lot of times they may have 2 or 3 in an area. And this is something that if you only want to do one, that's fine. Or if you want to do many, that's fine. So hold tight. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do step by step to become a vendor at Best Buy. Ready? Here we go. First of all, you're going to go to their Becoming a Partner with Best Buy. It is actually their non-merchandising. In the description, I am going to give you the Best Buy partner where you can simply click on and it will take you right to their non-merchandising area to become a vendor. They have, if you're looking at selling supplies, which you may want to do, sell janitorial supplies, or if you're looking to do the janitorial services, floor work, dusting, all of that. Sometimes they, close the whole area down and have you do nothing but a deep clean as well as the floor. We actually did the floor work for Best Buy. Okay, once you get onto the website, you're then going to click to register and you're going to get an application. It's going to ask you for the following basic stuff: your name, your last name, the company, your company name, your legal company's name. And it's going to ask you for the tax ID. That's the same as the EIN, your employee identification number. So you're definitely going to need one. Simply go to irs.gov to get your EIN number if you don't already have it. Then it's going to ask you for your phone number, your address, and the DUNS number. For those of you that have done SAMs, you've heard me talk about DUNS all the time, D&B, Dun and Bradstreet. But nowadays, not only are you no longer having to do it for SAMs, no longer doing Dun and Bradstreet for SAMs, it's changed to something else. If you don't know and you're just doing government, then make sure you check my video out and it'll get you into that right direction under the SAMs video on what has changed in SAMs. It's one of my previous videos. But you're going to go to Duns and Bradstreet to actually get your DNB number. And I've always said it's really nice and handy to keep a DNB number because there are a lot of places, if you're looking to become a vendor, they're wanting you to have a DNB number. So simply go to DNB, Duns and Bradstreet, and get your Duns number. It's absolutely free. I have plenty of videos that walk you through that as well. Once you have your DNB number, it's going to ask for this, which is a mouthful: your UNSPS number. And that is your United Nations Standard Products and Services Code. That's what that is. That is something like a NICS code for government, but only that is what is utilized for retail. Now you're going to go to ungm.org public, and it's going to have that UNSPS code. I'm going to give you the link so you can go right there and you can look us up or you can look up our industry. Now, our industry, it falls under building and facilities, and that number, that UNSPSC number, is going to be 7200000. 72, then 6 zeros. That is the code, period, for you wanting to do probably becoming a vendor with anyone that's in retail. I noticed it's the same one for Walmart. It's the same one for Target. That is the universal code for our industry. But check it out. If you're looking to do more than just building facilities, which we did, then you want to make sure that you know all of those codes. It's also going to ask for the NICS code. That NICS code is the code that the government assigns us for our industry, for facilities, cleaning, all of that. It's 561720. 561720 is the code for the NICS code for when you go in to register. Once you fill all this information out, you're then going to go to the next part where it's going to ask you a couple more questions. This does not require you to have a website. Some of them do, but they do not. It's a pretty simple application, and then you submit it and you are on and ready for becoming a vendor. If your information looks good, they will reach out to you, and they have reached out to quite a few of our clients, and they definitely have been very happy, and they did reach out to us when we were doing their buildings as well. That's how we got started. They're really good with small businesses, minority, women, so do not miss out on this opportunity. Very simple. Everything you need is going to be in the description area of this website, of this video. So make sure you click onto the video and then go into the description area, get all this information I've given you, so your chances of being a vendor at Best Buy are really good. They need a lot of people to do some of their floor work. Their floors look fantastic. So if you love doing floor work like I did and our team did, then definitely look out for that. I will have more information on how to become vendors. I love that area. That's one of the ways my business grew so quickly. I was able to do a lot of corporate accounts, and I want you to be able to do the same. So anytime I find something on vendors or anything that I did, airports are one of the big ones. I'm going to talk about that in my next video on Friday. I usually do our vendor videos on Friday. So look out for Fridays for our videos on vendors, on how to become a vendor for. So all of that is going to be in the next videos, and I look forward to sharing that with you. If you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to cover for you, and you can reach out to me at any time at 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. And if you'd like to know more about our government, how to get started in government contracts, guess what? You can click the link in the description. Sign up for our free masterclass. Love to see you there. Space is limited, so make sure you sign up. And if you're ready to get on the path for scaling and starting and scaling your cleaning business, guess what? You can sign up for our 6-figure course. It shows you exactly what you need to do to win and scale your business utilizing commercial contracts. And our government is all about getting and obtaining government contracts and what you need to do to scale your business to one of my favorite subjects, 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So whether you're using government or whether you're using commercial, I am your 6-figure business coach when it comes to either one of those to get your cleaning business to 6 figures, your 6-figure cleaning business coach, Mrs. M. Love to see you at one of my free masterclass workshops. Until next time, in the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.